I'm Meghna Rao, and this is the AI from the Data Center to the Edge video series. In this video, I talk about how you can obtain a course completion certificate and point you to additional AI courses and resources to enhance your AI skills. So far, you have learned about Intel's AI portfolio, steps to performing exploratory data analysis, training a deep neural network model, model analysis, and deployment to the edge. Once you go and complete the course, you have the opportunity to complete a quiz that will recap the concepts. You can then request a course completion certificate that you can display on your social media profiles. Additionally, go to the Intel Developer Zone to continue your education on artificial intelligence and Intel AI offerings through self-paced courses, code samples, and articles. Thanks for watching AI from the Data Center to the Edge. We hope this video series has been useful in providing the foundations to build AI solutions on Intel architecture and reduce your time to solution and time to market. Make sure you check out the links to start the course today.
Hey everybody, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a little comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows.